Do you remember the time when we could be outside and do things and see people and had places to be? What was one thing we did not have? Time to cook. And this recipe is for those times. Stir fried shrimp, asparagus, and rice. That is as easy as it gets. This recipe is pretty quick, cheap, and easy, just like me. Wait, what? For real talk, you can make this recipe in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes, which is the beauty of it. First things first, just wash and soak your rice. And trust me, this is actually the longest part of the process. Begin by dicing 2 or more cloves of garlic, the more the better, obviously. You can start boiling water to make your rice. If you're not sure how to make rice, refer to this video right here. You know the drill. When the water is boiling, add your rice, cover it, and keep it on low for 17 minutes. Now for the easy part. Take a pan, put some olive oil in it, and throw your asparagus in there and stir fry it for about 10 minutes and occasionally toss it. Get another pan, add a little bit of olive oil, and drop your garlic in there and brown it for about a minute. Following that, drop your shrimp in there and season this with salt and pepper. To give our shrimp the really delicious salty and sweet flavor, we'll be sprinkling a little bit of soy sauce on the top, not just for the flavor but also to stain it. And then we'll be adding a little bit of honey as well for the sweetness. And your shrimp is done. Shrimp takes about 90 seconds to cook each side, so it's actually done really quickly. And when it's opaque and bright in the middle, that's when you know it's cooked. This recipe is really easy and it's a time saver. So you can go from being hungry to eating in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes. Right before I started eating, I poured a little bit of sriracha and also sprinkled some sesame seeds on top, and this dish was absolutely delicious.